Welcome back to your daily crypto update. When I go through the charts every day so you don't have to, so get yourself a brew, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. We're on Bitcoin on the daily chart. As you can see, Bitcoin is now pulling down into the middle range, just where we thought it was going to go. It came up and took liquidation at the top, and now it's moved back down. As you can see from the liquidations in the last 24 hours, 500 million has been liquidated. So that is a big move. We've got the short starting to open up. This is the action above price and this action below. So the shorts have started opening up because everybody thinks this is starting to come down. So as this goes down, people start to open up the shorts thinking it's going to go further. People get scared, get panicking, they start selling, and it starts moving. So we've hit the middle of the range. Now, if we look at our liquidations, our liquidity, there's not much that's going on. But if we look on the weekly and see how things are looking there, we can see it's just a little bit of liquidity there, so we're almost there. But if we look at the monthly, we should see the liquidation level downstairs. There it is there. It's on a main one, 160 million-ish. It's on pretty much 96 dead. So we want to be looking for 96 dead. Something like this. Somewhere around about there. So it's hit our target. I'm going to move this target to here. I think it's going to come down further. It's going to sweep the half range and top this. Now once it's taken this, there doesn't seem to be much else for it to take. So we might have seen the move play out. As you can see, everyone's opening up shorts. Everyone's starting to panic a little bit. And you can see on the long to short ratio, people are opening a lot more shorts. And when you see a big difference like this is normally the signs of reversal. So we see it come down, it's going to tap this, and then from there, it'll make its decision. But we'll need to let things settle. We don't know where it's going to go. It might consolidate, it might not. But as it stands, it might even come down further. But if it comes down here, the EMAs here are such strong support. This literally supports the bull market as it goes through. So price might come down, break through here, break through the channel, wick down below this EMA, scare everyone out here, everyone sells, and it goes off, and it starts making its way. Because what Bitcoin likes to do is, it likes to form a range, a deviation above to take the liquidity, a deviation below to take the liquidity, and then off it goes. So this is something we need to watch. Even though things are starting to look like there might be enough for a reversal, it might just continue down, really put the pressure on, make everyone sell before that third and final move. Okay, so the exchange volume is still lacking down. We can't have any meaningful move until this starts moving up. So we need to keep our eye on this. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, nothing much to report there. We had a push down, but we had a straight push straight back up. So we'll just let this develop as such, see how things play out. The Ethereum Bitcoin, it's had a wick above, broke above there, wicked above there, everything was looking good, and a straight rejection. So we'll keep our eye on this, see how things start moving here. But we really need it to be closing. I was looking for a close above here, at least a close above there, for the bulls to start taking control again. But we've had a rejection. So let's see where it goes. Now, it might just be making a higher low form in here. So we've got our lows. It might form a higher low, come into it, and then start moving up again. Or it might just come break through. We're not too sure yet. We can't tell from the price action just yet what's going to happen. So we need to keep on checking daily for it. We can see the alts. They've broken from this wedge. But this is at the weekend, when there's not really any volume in the market. So we need to watch out. This might just be a wick down, a fake out before the bigger move. This is something that crypto loves to do. It loves to come down, very similar to how the Bitcoin one was playing out. It'll come down here, wick out, everyone scares, sells, reverses and moves up. So we need to watch out for the fake out here. But we can't have this doing multiple closes down here and below this. We need to keep it in a wick down and then move straight back up to keep the bullish momentum going. The other's dominance, that is below trend as well. So the dominance for the others is currently sitting there, just like here. It might wick up again, but not too much to report. USDT dominance, now that is starting to hit the top of the triangle. Now we're in a descending triangle within a bear flag, within a broken down below the wedge. So this is very bearish. But this might be the wick out here as well. Fake out, scare everyone, dump down. See how the bull market support bands and everyone is in line with everyone's charts. So not too much to report. There's a bit of movement coming on. We're going to have to see how things play out. But for right now, my next target is 96,000. That's where Bitcoin's most likely going to go. And then from there, it will decide whether it's going to go up or down. I do quite like the idea of this because this will really scare everyone. Shake the last people out before making the move up. So we'll see how things go. If you like more of this, please like, subscribe, and I'll be back tomorrow pushing another one out. Cheers guys, bye.